Guys, boarding na tayo sa plane natin. Time check, 4:30 p.m. Dito na. Hi guys! Welcome back to my vlog. So, dito tayo ngayon sa Panglao, Bohol. Magstay tayo dito for 3 nights. Time check, it's 8 p.m. So, tour ko kayo sa nakuha naming accommodation dito. Yeah. Room tour tayo. So, pagpasok mo, ito yan. So, dito tayo ngayon sa 4th floor nitong building na to. Parang mini building siya eh. So, nandito tayo sa penthouse, tapos merong kitchen, yung kitchen area, tapos may veranda. Bukas, papakita ko sa inyo yung view dyan. Merong chair, aesthetic chair. Alright, may living area dito. So, parang sea view siya. Okay, so ito yung master's bedroom. This is our master's bedroom. Good morning guys. So check na natin yung view. Ayan. Okay, so this is the entire 4th floor. Laki niya, no? This is our view. Super nice. Yan, kagabi wala yan, di ba? So, ayan. Yun ang view natin. Guys, so dito naman tayo sa Bellevue Pavilion. Magla-lunch kasi dito ang check-in ng bike ng for Ironman. Welcome to 5150 Triathlon in partnership with Sun Life. Okay, so andito tayo ngayon sa Bellevue Resort, Bohol, Philippines to have some lunch. So that's our view for today. You have this infinity pool facing beachfront. So doon muna tayo sa restaurant. There's your infinity pool facing the beachfront. So we're now here at the restaurant. So there's a bunch of triathletes here. Probably getting their lunch first before the bike check-in. So here's my fam. Yeah, yan yung magre-race. Okay, lunchtime. So we're having some sisig, sinigang, and some grilled. Having lunch, beachfront. Let's go. Kuya, busy mo naman. Mag-ano na tayo, mag-lunch na tayo. Johan, say hi to my vlog. Okay, syempre, di pwedeng wala ang pansit. Hindi niya kasi tinanong kung merong pansit. Meron palang pansit.
Wala sa menu.
How's your pansit, kuya? How's your pansit? Good?
Tama ka, naka-safe na lang oh. May lagay ng park.
Hi guys! Today is July 12, Saturday. Time check, 2:30 p.m. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Bellevue Resort Hotel dito sa Panglao, Bohol. Kasi dito gagawin yung 5150 na race, yung triathlon in partnership with Sun Life. So tingnan mo kung gaano kaganda yung view ng buong stretch ng resort. So yan yung infinity pool nila. Sa beach. Ayan. So yun muna. So samahan nyo kami para supportan ng aking imbayaw na si Ryan para sa race niya bukas. Dito yan sa Bohol. Hi guys! Nandito kami ngayon sa Modto Mall. Killing time for tomorrow's race kasi 5 a.m. yung assembly time nila. So we're here to chill and enjoy the view. Yan, sobrang daming establishments na dito. Ganda. But it's kind of low tide. Hi guys! So, welcome back. Andito tayo ngayon sa Modto Beach Mall. sobrang daming establishments dito. So dito kami, killing time. Patambay muna tayo. So tingnan mo yung stretch ng ganito. So doon kami naka-check-in banda doon. So lalakari lang. Tara, samahan nyo kami today. Let's go. How's your ice cream?
Drinks
Good. How's your ice cream? Fine. Aliw na aliw siya, kahit low tide do. Ginagawa mo dyan, ha? Hi guys. So we're just here. The beach front, chilling. There's my nephew, Joseph. He's a 14-year-old teenager guy. Yo! Good luck guys tomorrow. Good luck kayo. Good morning. Good morning everyone. Today is July 13, 2025. Sunday. Racing day. Nauna na si Ryan eh. So time check is 7:05 AM. Nag-breakfast muna kami sa bahay. Tapos ito papunta na kami dun sa racetrack. Alright. So ongoing na yung race guys. And we're here at the last trail of the race.
Again, this is the Sunlight 5150 Triathlon Bohol and Sunrise Sprint 2025, brought to us by Sunlife in Orgsco Global GU1. We have now 1068, Mr. Michael Castillo finished his Sunrise Sprint 2025, and two gorgeous ladies approaching the finish line. Starting off with 1124, Fiora Margaret Lantaka. And of course, we have 11:30. Galing, no? Dapat ganun yung friendship, di ba?
So supportive family po sila.
Sabay. And the Sunrise Sprint 2025 is...
Eh.
Kinapos.
Hey, congrats! 5th placer! 3rd place pa nga. Hi guys. So nag-check out na kami dun sa Stanley. We're now here at Blue Ocean Resort for the next 2 nights. Alright. So, check in muna sila. Grabe oh. Yung bike ni Ryan, sobrang laki man. So yung view natin, parang ba't ganito sa Bohol? Parang mas malapit siya sa araw. Apakainit, pero thank you Lord, thank you Lord. Hi guys, we're here at Bohol Lemur Butterfly Park. Caleb, what's that? Caleb. Hi guys. Dito sa loob ng butterfly farm, tapos biglang merong alligator dun sa likod. Caleb, look. What is that? That's a sea eagle.
Trained yan, trained. Trained yan, hindi yan basta-basta lilipad.
Mga turista, oh. Ano pangalan yan?
Sugar glider sa
Glider. Eh, wala pang lunch yan ah. Wala pang lunch. Ice cream.
Sir, ba kayo? Yes po, ma'am.
Sa chicha worm. Okay. Let's go guys, so we're here now at the Rio Verde floating. So we're gonna have our lunch here. Say hi to my vlog. Okay guys, time check. It's almost 2 p.m. na, so super late lunch na to. Ang aga namin nag-breakfast kanila, mga around 5:30 a.m. yun. So super hungry na talaga ako. Kaya samahan nyo kami. Tara! Okay. There's a lot of souvenirs that you can buy here. So, waiting area muna tayo dito. Mga 1 hour yung... Okay, so we're here now. We're gonna go to our boat. Boat number 4.
Boat number 4, sir.
Okay. Okay po. Okay, so we're here na. So we're gonna have our lunch here.
Paano ko, sir? Mang watermelon.
Finally, we're gonna eat. Okay, stop over tayo dito sa Aski Tribe. So stop over muna tayo dito. Ayaw nilang pumunta doon. Ayaw niyo pumunta doon? Ha? Diyan lang kayo? Hi guys, andito tayo ngayon sa Bohol Eco Adventure Park. Wow! So yan yung isi-zipline. Wow! Tapos pabalik daw yung cable car. Okay, walang nag-zipline sa amin. Diretso tayo Chocolate Hills. Tara. Okay guys, welcome to the man-made, kung ano man tawag. Yan. Picture na daw kayo doon. Picture na kayo doon sa gitna.
Okay. Ready. Ako pa magbilang. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Always buhay, picture taking is brought to you by
1, 2, 3, go!
Tasa!
Tasan na!
Akala ko maliliit ang Tarsier. But ang laki mo dito. Welcome to Chocolate Hills. Ayun sila oh. Pero hindi sila kulay chocolate eh. Kulay green sila ngayon. Pag summer daw sila nagko-color brown or chocolate. Welcome to Chocolate Hills! Let's go! Okay guys, since Sunday today, daan tayo sa church dito sa Tagbilaran. Tayo sa park. Okay guys, hindi tayo ngayon. 7-Eleven. Ang stretch din ng Boracay. Ganyan parang sa ano, Boracay. Parang Boracay din. Hi guys, so we're exploring the stretch of Alona Beach Resort. Parang isang stretch din ng Boracay, nga lang mas maliit yung shore niya compared sa Boracay. Good morning, another day here at Panglao. So today we're gonna go sea turtle watching daw and some dolphin. Okay, sakay muna tayo ng boat papunta dun. Sa gitna, andun kasi yung malaking boat. Almost 30 ata tayo today. Oy, may dolphin. Kanina may dolphin eh. Saan na kaya siya? Alright guys, welcome to Balikpasan Island. Hey guys, lunchtime. Lunchtime guys, let's go. Ganda oh. Right, so this is Bohol. Sama namin today yung mga triathletes na recently concluded 5150 dito sa Bohol.
Tapos yung comedy ko sa
I love you too, Kuya Mo. Thank you, Bohol. Done our boat tour. 46 hours din yun. So we're gonna go back to our hotel na. Probably we're gonna get some rest ako. I have a flight pa. Going back to Manila. So thank you, Bohol. The stretch of Alona Beach sa hapon. Alright guys, nandito na tayo sa accommodation namin sa Blue Ocean. Beachfront lang yan siya, ayan. So dito tayo. Room number 2. Yan yung nasa gitna. Tara. Dito na tayo sa accommodation natin sa Blue Ocean Resort. High tide ngayon sa beach. Mamaya na yung flight natin. So thank you Bohol for this getaway. Quick room tour tayo kasi di natin na room tour kagabi dahil gabi na yun. Yun lang. So bye-bye. Alright, that's a wrap for our quick Bohol getaway. So takit sa Manila. So don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching KSTV TV. Bye-bye!